In this video, we'll be giving a walkthrough of the RetinaEngrave software. The first thing you'll want to do is open your RetinaEngrave software. When the IP list opens, select the correct one for your machine. The best connection to use for RetinaEngrave is Ethernet. Go to the Laser Profile tab in the top left corner and select the correct machine you'll be using to avoid scaling issues. Next, you'll choose the method in which you'd like to import your file. To drag and drop a file, simply select it and then drag it onto the workspace. To use the print driver feature, go to File, then Print, and just as if you were doing a normal print job, hit the print button. From here, you'll want to put in the correct settings for your project. You can select the mode in which you want to run your job using this tab above. For this project, we'll be running the job in raster mode. So here's another file that we'll be importing into RetinaEngrave from Adobe Illustrator using the print driver feature. For more complex files, you'll want to use the print driver feature. It's compatible with all design softwares. And it's just as simple no matter what design software you use. Next, we'll dial in the settings using the control panel to the right. Since we're engraving leather, we'll want to turn the raster power to 10 with a speed of 100 and a black and white threshold of 165. In the vector layers, we'll keep the speed and power at 100 and set the black layer to 0. This file uses not only a raster engraving, but also a vector cut, so we'll want to switch the mode to raster, then vector in the mode tab above. Once we have our raster and vector settings dialed in, and our mode set to raster, then vector, we're ready to run the job. And there you have it. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more videos from Full Spectrum Laser.